Welcome. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence can help you generate innovative business ideas. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can spark creativity, analyze trends, and help you discover opportunities you might never have considered. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a startup founder, or simply curious about new ventures, understanding how to leverage AI can give you a competitive edge. In this video, we'll walk through practical steps, real-world examples, and actionable tips to help you use AI for business ideation. Let's get started by exploring what makes AI such a game changer in the world of business innovation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing patterns, understanding language, making predictions, and even generating creative content. AI can process massive amounts of data quickly, spot trends, and suggest solutions. For business, this means you can use AI to analyze markets, customer needs, and even brainstorm new products or services. By understanding the basics of AI, you'll be better equipped to harness its potential for generating business ideas. AI offers unique advantages when it comes to generating business ideas. It can analyze vast datasets, identify emerging trends, and even predict future market needs. Unlike traditional brainstorming, AI tools can process information from multiple industries and sources at lightning speed. This means you can uncover hidden opportunities, validate your ideas with data, and reduce the risk of failure. Using AI for ideation helps you stay ahead of the competition and ensures your business concepts are grounded in real-world insights. There are several types of AI tools you can use for business ideation. Some focus on data analysis, helping you spot patterns in consumer behavior or market trends. Others are designed for creative brainstorming, generating lists of potential business ideas based on your input. There are also AI-powered platforms that combine both functions, offering insights and suggestions tailored to your interests. Knowing which type of tool suits your needs is the first step toward effective AI-driven ideation. Before you start using AI, it's important to define your business goals. Are you looking to enter a new market, solve a specific problem, or create a disruptive product? Clear objectives will help you choose the right AI tools and guide the ideation process. Take some time to outline your goals, target audience, and the challenges you want to address. This foundation will make your AI-powered brainstorming more focused and effective. AI thrives on data. To generate meaningful business ideas, you'll need to gather relevant information. This can include market research, customer feedback, competitor analysis, and industry reports. The more high-quality data you provide, the better your AI tool can analyze and generate insights. Don't worry if you don't have all the data at once. Many AI platforms can help you collect and organize information as you go. With your goals and data in place, it's time to select an AI tool that fits your needs. Some popular options include OpenAI's GPT models for text generation, Google's AutoML for data analysis, and specialized platforms like IdeaBuddy or Bism for business ideation. Consider factors such as ease of use, integration with your workflow, and the types of insights each tool provides. Testing a few options can help you find the best fit for your project. Once you've chosen your AI tool, the next step is to input your data. This might involve uploading spreadsheets, entering keywords, or describing your business challenge. Be as specific as possible. Clear, detailed input helps the AI generate more relevant and actionable ideas. If you're not sure where to start, many platforms offer templates or guided prompts to help you structure your information. Now comes the exciting part, watching AI brainstorm business ideas for you. Depending on the tool, you might see a list of potential products, services, or market opportunities. The AI can suggest ideas based on current trends, gaps in the market, or even combine concepts from different industries. Review the suggestions, and don't be afraid to iterate or refine them further. Remember, AI is a partner in your creative process, not a replacement for your own judgment. After generating a list of ideas, it's important to evaluate them critically. Look for ideas that align with your business goals, have market potential, and are feasible to implement. Consider factors like competition, required resources, and potential challenges. AI can help you score or rank ideas based on these criteria, making it easier to focus on the most promising options. AI-generated ideas are just the beginning. Take the most promising concepts and refine them further. This might involve combining multiple ideas, adding unique features, or tailoring them to your target audience. Use AI to test different variations and see how each one performs in simulated scenarios. The goal is to develop a business idea that stands out and meets real customer needs. Before moving forward, validate your refined business ideas with real market data. Use AI to analyze customer feedback, social media trends, and competitor performance. This step helps you confirm demand and identify potential pitfalls. The more evidence you gather, the more confident you'll be in your chosen direction. AI can automate much of this research, saving you time and effort. Let's look at a real-world example. In the retail industry, companies use AI to analyze shopping patterns and predict which products will be popular. By processing sales data and customer reviews, AI can suggest new product lines or services that meet emerging needs. This approach has helped many retailers stay ahead of trends and increase their market share. In healthcare, AI is used to identify gaps in patient care and suggest new services. For example, analyzing patient data can reveal unmet needs, leading to the creation of telemedicine platforms or personalized wellness programs. These AI-driven ideas not only improve patient outcomes, but also open up new business opportunities for healthcare providers. Financial institutions use AI to spot investment opportunities and develop new financial products. By analyzing market trends and customer behavior, AI can suggest innovative services like robo-advisors or personalized banking solutions. This not only helps banks attract new customers, but also keeps them competitive in a rapidly changing industry. AI isn't just for big industries. It can help you find opportunities in niche markets too. By analyzing specialized forums, social media groups, and unique customer segments, AI can uncover needs that are often overlooked. This allows entrepreneurs to create targeted solutions and build loyal customer bases in smaller, less competitive markets. While AI is a powerful tool, human creativity is still essential. The best business ideas often come from a combination of AI-generated insights and your own experience, intuition, and vision. Use AI to expand your thinking, but don't be afraid to trust your instincts and add a personal touch to your ideas. This synergy leads to truly innovative solutions. AI isn't perfect. It can sometimes generate ideas that are impractical or miss important context. That's why it's important to review AI suggestions critically and supplement them with your own research. Stay aware of biases in your data and be prepared to adjust your approach as needed. Remember, AI is a tool to assist you, not a substitute for thoughtful decision-making. When using AI, it's important to consider ethical implications. Make sure your data is collected responsibly and that your business ideas respect privacy and fairness. Avoid using AI to exploit vulnerable groups or create products that could cause harm. Ethical AI use builds trust with customers and sets your business up for long-term success. Once you've developed a promising business idea with AI, consider how to protect it. This might involve securing intellectual property, such as patents or trademarks, or keeping your methods confidential. AI can also help you monitor the market for potential infringements and alert you to similar products or services. Protecting your ideas ensures you can capitalize on your innovation. If you're new to AI, collaborating with experts can accelerate your progress. Data scientists, AI developers, and business strategists can help you choose the right tools, interpret results, and implement your ideas. Building a team with diverse skills ensures you get the most out of AI and avoid common pitfalls. AI and business landscapes are constantly evolving. Stay up to date by learning about new AI tools, industry trends, and best practices. Regularly review and update your business ideas based on fresh data and feedback. Continuous learning ensures your business remains innovative and competitive. Once your AI-generated business idea is validated, think about how to scale it. AI can help you identify new markets, optimize operations, and automate repetitive tasks. By leveraging AI at every stage, you can grow your business efficiently and respond quickly to changing demands. AI can play a key role in product development. Use it to analyze customer preferences, test prototypes, and predict product performance. AI-driven insights help you design products that truly meet market needs and stand out from the competition. This approach reduces development time and increases your chances of success. Service businesses can also benefit from AI. Use AI to identify gaps in customer service, automate support, or personalize experiences. For example, chatbots can handle routine inquiries, while AI analytics can suggest new services based on customer behavior. This leads to higher satisfaction and opens up new revenue streams. AI can revolutionize your marketing strategy. Use it to analyze customer segments, predict campaign performance, and generate creative content. AI tools can suggest new marketing channels, optimize ad spend, and even personalize messages for different audiences. This data-driven approach leads to more effective and innovative marketing ideas. Operational efficiency is critical for business success. AI can help you optimize supply chains, forecast demand, and automate inventory management. By analyzing real-time data, AI tools can suggest improvements that save time and reduce costs. This allows you to focus on growth and innovation rather than day-to-day operations. Understanding your customers is key to business success. AI can analyze customer data to reveal preferences, pain points, and buying habits. These insights help you tailor your products, services, and marketing strategies for maximum impact. The result is a more personalized and effective approach to business growth. Staying ahead of the competition requires constant vigilance. AI can monitor competitors' activities, track market changes, and identify emerging threats or opportunities. Use these insights to adjust your strategy, launch new products, or enter untapped markets. AI-powered competitive analysis gives you the information you need to make smart business decisions. Predicting future trends is one of AI's greatest strengths. By analyzing historical data and current events, AI can forecast shifts in consumer behavior, technology, and industry landscapes. Use these predictions to position your business for success and capitalize on emerging opportunities before your competitors do. Every business idea comes with risks. AI can help you assess potential pitfalls by analyzing financial data, market volatility, and operational challenges. Use AI-generated risk assessments to make informed decisions and develop strategies to mitigate potential problems before they arise. Sustainability is a growing concern for businesses and consumers alike. AI can help you identify eco-friendly opportunities, optimize resource use, and reduce waste. By analyzing environmental data, AI tools can suggest sustainable business models and products that appeal to conscious consumers and support long-term growth. AI can also be used to generate business ideas with a positive social impact. Analyze data on community needs, social issues, and nonprofit activities to identify opportunities for meaningful change. Whether it's improving access to education, healthcare, or clean energy, AI can help you design solutions that make a difference. Personalization is key to winning customer loyalty. AI can analyze individual preferences and behaviors to suggest personalized products, services, or experiences. This not only increases customer satisfaction, but also boosts sales and retention. Use AI to deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Subscription-based businesses are booming, and AI can help you design and optimize these models. Analyze customer usage patterns, predict churn, and suggest new features or pricing strategies. AI-driven insights make it easier to retain subscribers and grow recurring revenue streams. E-commerce businesses can use AI to recommend products, optimize pricing, and personalize shopping experiences. AI tools can also help you manage inventory, forecast demand, and prevent fraud. These innovations make your online store more efficient and customer-friendly. Content is king in today's digital world. AI can help you generate blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts. Use AI to brainstorm topics, optimize headlines, and tailor content for different platforms. This saves time and ensures your content resonates with your audience. Remote work is here to stay, and AI can help you develop solutions for distributed teams. Use AI to automate scheduling, manage projects, and facilitate communication. These tools make remote work more productive and help businesses adapt to the changing workplace. Education is another field ripe for AI innovation. Use AI to personalize learning experiences, recommend courses, and analyze student performance. These insights help educators design better programs and support student success. AI-powered education businesses can reach more learners and deliver higher value. Creative industries like design, music, and art are embracing AI. Use AI to generate design concepts, compose music, or suggest artistic themes. These tools can inspire new ideas and help artists push the boundaries of their craft. AI is not replacing creativity, it's amplifying it. Health and wellness businesses can use AI to analyze fitness data, recommend personalized routines, and monitor progress. AI-driven insights help users achieve their goals and stay motivated. This opens up opportunities for new apps, devices, and services in the growing wellness market. The smart home industry is booming, and AI is at the heart of it. Use AI to develop products that automate lighting, security, and energy management. Analyze user habits to suggest new features or integrations. AI-driven smart home solutions make life more convenient and efficient. Mobility and transport businesses use AI to optimize routes, predict maintenance needs, and improve safety. AI can also suggest new mobility services, such as ride-sharing or micromobility solutions. These innovations make transportation more efficient and accessible for everyone. Security is a top concern for businesses and consumers. AI can help you develop solutions for threat detection, fraud prevention, and data protection. Use AI to analyze patterns, identify vulnerabilities, and respond to incidents in real time. These tools keep your business and customers safe. AI is transforming the way we generate business ideas. By combining data-driven insights with your own creativity, you can discover new opportunities and build innovative businesses. Start by exploring AI tools, gathering data, and experimenting with different approaches. The future belongs to those who embrace technology and think boldly. Good luck on your AI-powered business journey.